Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my experience of buying my first film camera. So, if you've watched my video on how I got into photography, you would know that I already have a film camera, but it was my father's. So, I bought a new one, which I will show in a moment, because I wanted to have one for myself, and I wanted one not to be so modern and more have the old school feel of like my XT3. This right here is my first film camera. Well, the one I bought myself. It is a PENTAX ME Super with a 50mm f2 lens on it. I love the way this camera looks because it reminds me of my Fujifilm, and I love how it's like tactile and rugged it feels. It's small, as you can see, it's pretty small in my hand, but it's just super nice because you can have fully automatic, you can do fully manual. And I got it at a thrift store, pretty cheap, and it was quite the experience on getting it for the first time. Because I've never shot film before, I always went out to CVS and bought drugstore film because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on something I'm just trying and new to. So I bought the Fujifilm Superior 400, so basic little film. And when I went to go load it, it was a process. I tried it, didn't really know what I was doing, looked it up on YouTube, thank God for YouTube, and was able to put it in myself. And now I have finished one whole roll, and I'm gonna shoot some more rolls, and then I will get it developed and get it sent out. I kind of just wanna like shoot a lot over time, and then get those photos back and be like, wow, okay, I remember that. And it's not like digital where you can look back right away and see what happened. Like, it kind of is memories in time where you can go back upon, so I really enjoy that. One thing about this camera is that it's pretty old. It's from the 70s, late 70s, early 80s. So it's great because it only requires a small battery just for the light meter to work. So as long as you have film practically, and this battery will last forever, you can go out and shoot. And once I get these actual photos back, I might do a video on the actual photos and go through them, and just so I can show you guys what I took. And if you'd like to see that in the future, let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.